Now I just want to grate chicken like this. I learned this from an Italian friend. Here, I'll start by grating a frozen chicken breast. After grating, we'll transfer it all to a container. Let's add a pre-grated potato, then 2 eggs. I'll season it with a bit of salt. The amount is up to you. Now let's mix everything well. In a pan, we'll add a little oil. Spread it evenly with a brush. Add all our chicken mixture. Cover and cook until it browns on the bottom. Once done, let's remove it. Flip it on the lid and return to the pan. Now add mozzarella on top. Also add slices of pepperoni. A sprinkle of oregano on top. Cover again until the cheese melts. Look how amazing this recipe turns out. Now just plate, cut, and enjoy. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. That's another recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hug, see you next time, and thanks.